Every person is a mystery.
Who killed Tim Kono?
There's a killer on the loose, and he could be living in our building. I saw a guy going up the stairs in a tie-dyed hoodie the night Tim died.
Suspicious.
That's not what you think.
What are you up to?
It is GMA on this Tuesday morning.
Who are you? We can't forget about tie-dye guy.
I know they're here, waiting to be discovered.
I have to figure this out.
I keep seeing these guys dressed in tie-dye hoodies.
What's going on? Oh, God.
It's amazing. I'm so buzzed.
It's tie-dye guy. Keep your eyes peeled. Anything can be a clue.
Oh my God! Holy shit. The show is so fun.
Time for the killer to make himself known.
Oh my God!
I think we could solve this case.